How far my one-on-one family? This matter, it don't pass drama. In fact, this one then they enter season 5. Oh, I know say this Kpokpogri and Tonto and Jane Mena matter. Me, I even say by now, if we don't end, all of us don't even forget them. In fact, it be like say now this story just now the thing just even start to the grow. Oh, I know say Tonto Dikeh claim say Jane Mena video she get up and she give us the assurance. Say yes and true that sex tape dey, but Jane Mena no believe. And even come dear her, I don't know who give her that mind. Say make she dear Tonto Dikeh before I go see my people. This one no be joke matter. In fact, I don't see this sex tape with so many soundtracks and audio. In fact, on I go shock the way with this man they give unto this girl. My people again, make her follow me watch.
As we don't date stay rich, each time I think of my prick degrees, I get strong erection. Yeah, the girl don't do dirty sex, different kind of sex. When we say, she tell me say, Prince, the fuck where you don't fuck me. My husband for 9 years, where they did, she never fuck me like that. You know. Me and Jay, we feed the house, we fuck from morning till evening.
She know they tire.
Yeah, if we tire, we'll rest, we'll continue.
Nah.
Please fear me. Now she married the guy now, not be the guy married.
Is a real one. I beg, I suppose clean my eye. No be only me see. I beg, na she, I be no be she. Because me as I see the nose, and I know say her nose won't be like all this oinkon pigo. Now I saw the thing big. Now they come the reason I say she no be Jane Mena be this one. A married woman, and they give it to her. She come they give us different audio track. On top of Percy, I don't even know. Kpokpogri self, I don't know what I'm going to tell you. You know even reason say this girl now your family because you talk say now your family member now she be. How be say family go they chop family? I know say they happen, but this one it really shocked me. Person who even marry this woman, he never even enjoy and finish. Because according to what you talk, you do chop her morning, afternoon, and in fact the whole day now you do this whole thing. According to the audio we hear. And I sure say the man who marry this man, he never even get the chance to chop this girl for the whole day. Boy, you don't calm down. Finish this girl work. Now wow, this one no good though. Make na at least they pity some people husband. And Kpokpogri, I don't know what I won't tell you. You do this one finish, and I know say this kind thing dey. And I know still keep quiet. It still go up and down. They discuss am. With this merit of a girl, she said, "Like say that girl a bigger proko." I suppose come as I come do video about this girl. They suppose give her award for the best gossiper in town because all the gist now she they carry and come. Now this guy they claim saying this girl no they tire. Say Jane Mena now so they fit do this thing from morning reach night. Auntie Jane Mena, I don't know be I go talk say make a shame for you. I be I go talk say make a talk otherwise. But this whole thing me I don't know as now won't settle. But yes, say Jane Mena husband for they don't say make auntie pack her load and walk away. Say because of say what say this man, you know say if you dey marry, if they sleep with another man in which you dey husband house, it just be like say they give your husband bad food. Make the man no come die before in time. They say make auntie carry her back and move away. But this girl, she still they act on board that she still they post like say nothing they happen, like say nothing they quench her. But deep down, me I know say this one go dey pain. In fact, it go dey pain her reach her bone marrow. Say Tonto Dikeh talk am and she feel am. But Tonto, me I still get one advice for you. If this one feel leak, it means say your own self sooner or later, you better they brace up. This is the way they do oga. I dey very certain say soon this guy go still drop your own. But make we watch this. I beg who go feel record this kind of thing. Because with the looks of things, this camera they very close. It be like say they even know say they record am. So I beg who want do and say na Kpokpogri abi na the girl. Or two of them know say they do this camera. But anyway, this one on a 2 relationship. Make I even say on a 3. Because with the looks of things, part 3 go still come outside for this matter. I sure say another video go still surface again. They tell us okay, another woman own video. So by that time, we say go day here. They wait to call show another story. But for now, make it just they enjoy. As the drama they come, make it they enjoy and they go. Anyways, my people, now here I go take break on this matter. Make it stay tuned for our next story. Wonders shall never end, my people. Hey, the kind things what our pastors they do nowadays, they shock me. And this one they come all the way from Ghana. Me, I want to say Ghana God self they behave where their pastors they act like people get sense. But if I say all of them are the same thing. They just catch one pastor, if they give in church member doggy on top of altar of God. This man no even fear. They saying go call girls, make they come saying won't deliver them and cast out evil spirits. Now there this man will go, they chop them, saying they deliver. So I don't know what thing they deliver. But before I continue, make na join me watch.
Aha, stop! Eli action! Aha, stop! Stop! Ya kaya. Stop ya kaya.
Be able to. I say. No.
Stop! Make catch no ku.
Hey, people of God. Ona no dey even fear God again on top of altar, pulpit. Where be say ona no say na there Bible dey sleep, anointing oil dey sleep. Everything wey belong to God, na there e dey. Na there una come carry on herself. Remove boxer, the woman self. In fact, I no even know wetin I go talk to some ladies. Common shame una no get. A whole pastor, he no even reason you self. In fact, the way we see you say you take cheap. Now wetin make am sleep with you on top of altar. At least some people they go reason make they go pay for hotel. They no carry you go hotel. They come there for back corner, they do standing, they give you yourself, they collect. You stand there, they enjoy. If no be say they come bust you now. Wetin come vex me for the pastor come kneel down, they beg. Say na devil, I beg. Since when devil start to dey do kerewawa? Since when devil come enter your body, pull your throat and say, okay, go call sister Nkechi, come dey give am this thing. Now you by yourself, now you carry yourself, go call sister, say you won't deliver. And the mumu sister say believe say na deliverance, na be this. Now wetin make she say mumu sit down for there. And I sure say some pastors na so they do. Now wetin make me now when all these churches are mad, I dey even fear them because their own self e don pass wetin devil do. The one wey we hear say devil even do self na small. E be like say the people wey dey now, this new generation of pastors and people, they are evil. Like e don even pass. Abeg, which kind of abomination be this one wey una dey do? And I go dey call in the name of God on Sunday. I go carry microphone, dey shout, in the name of Jesus. God na una. On top of another woman, I go dey do in the name of Jesus again. Abeg, and to me, this one na pure sin. This pastor wey dey catch, I don't know. If later now they go still give am the authority to dey groom this, like to dey take over this church. E no even suppose be so. As they don't catch am, they suppose even just dethrone am as pastor. May him go sit down for one place. May him just go calm down because this one wey him do na pure sin, na abomination. I'm not saying I'm gonna talk say nobody pure, but at least you get your sense. If Konji hold you, you get wife. If you know say no fit hold am, go marry. I mean, if you know say you never get wife, you find girlfriend. Which one be your own church member? All in the name of prayer and fasting and binding and things. Now go there, they do bad things. They do bad things in the name of God. God they claim say na God direct on us, make I do this one. Me, I wish I wouldn't deal with this pastor. Make I give him some kind slap. Make him brain himself because this one he pay me. But he pay me well for the girl because the girl like she just show say girls. In fact, she just disgrace us ladies. See how she just bring out her thing. They show her she no even the shame. Inside church of God. Now what? My people, this matter vex me, but now here I go end them. Make now stay tuned for our next story. I welcome all my people where they watch me. This story now from the decks of the IPOB people, indigenous people of Biafra. Yes. And I know say some time back this group come as I bring one law. Say every Monday make people not come outside. As this one come out, you know, see people even obey them somehow. Later, now the governor self come and say, make people no obey this one, make people they come outside. Now I hear say the leader don't change him out. I don't know who go convince him. This man now don't come outside. They claim say make people start to they come outside. Say they notice say now hoodlums don't try to hijack the whole thing. So make it not come be like saying they fight, they drag, they don't know who they cause the katakata and who they cause who be the real IPOB. Make people start to they come outside. Now where this guy announced this, so I can't surprise. After this guy now the streets can't even dry past dry. Now people can't even decide say they no go step out. I don't know who they fear, but my people beg, make you follow me watch.
Please share the video. I am doing this because I don't know what is actually happening. The indigenous people had to give us an answer to what is playing out. Though, even as of yesterday, it was announced on Radio Sapientia, Odenibo, it was announced everywhere that the indigenous people, the IPOB leadership has suspended the sit-at-home order, that it is only on Thursday that the people are permitted to sit at home. But today, being Monday 18th October 2021, everywhere, no, let me not say so that you see by yourself. I am right at Bright Street, Main Market. This is the way it's playing now. Just follow me gently. I'm right at the Bright Street. I am bringing these updates to you this morning, being 18th October 2021. As it is, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB leadership, they said they have actually suspended the sit-at-home order. That it is only what is it called? Thursdays, which is the day of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court appearance, that people are only asked to sit at home in solidarity. But today being Monday 18th, I am right at the Bright Street. What is actually happening? Why are people not coming out to do their normal businesses? This is Main Market this morning. I am reporting live from the Bright Street. I'll be taking you around to see some of the places, how things are playing. And I don't know, I'm still asking this question. What is actually happening? Eben no na ka na akpọ young shall grow. Na aboni mebe ofuma. You will agree with me. On a this is young shall grow. As it is, everywhere is calm. Nobody, you can see. Now the IPOB DOS make an announcement that people should go out on their normal businesses today, Monday. That only day that people are expected to sit at home is on Thursday, being the day of court case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But today, what is happening being Monday, you look at no shop is open here. If you're familiar with this area, you'll agree with me that this is most busy spot as far as Main Market is concerned. This is the road connecting to Akbaka, connecting to 33. This one. This is the Young Shall Grow Plaza.
Wow. This one shock at surprise. Person will put law say make na no dey come outside on Monday. The person don't change his mind. Say make na come outside, honestly no come outside. It be like say this whole my time. This IPOB thing and it be like say even past the person will bring out the law. It be like say this matter it don't dey past. In fact, na another person they control am. But me I go advise on I beg if na no say na dey all this place say IPOB and things they take on. I beg stay inside your house, so stay indoor. Because me I don't reason this matter. I don't reason and say being a government I don't pay this man. Make him come outside now. When they talk all this whole law, they give people this insight saying make they come outside. And I hear saying Nnamdi Kanu they carry and go court on October 1st. I beg, I don't stay beg now. On that day, I beg just go buy food, sit down inside your house. They watch everything from television. Because if you go do mistake, you know the Nigeria way we did. You know the Igbo side where we on. I'm not saying now Anambra and the rest now so killing they fly up and down. For your own good, I beg just sit down inside house. If they say come outside, come fight, I beg just calm down, stay your lane. Because I hear say that day go dey very, very brutal. Now wetin make me come outside now come dey warn me, I don't hear am now wetin make me see make I come outside. And I know say all these government people now so their technique they be. Now so that enters now people come outside later they say hoodlums don't overtake. I sure say na the same thing na they wan use, na the same tactics na they wan use again. Now normal people come outside now they don dey refer and say na hoodlums. I sure say on that 21st now they go carry army and soldiers put for everywhere. So abeg no even go mistake dey risk your life for all this kind of. Just stay inside your house and get peace. Because if you dey your lane, I no go hear say bullets come meet you this one. But now if you come outside, go do strong get by force, but you won't go fight. Anything wey you see, make you use your eye collect. Now wetin make me come outside now, come dey warn una. Anyways, my people, now here I will take break on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story.